what do we have today? What are we building? Blue Thunder Monster Jam. This is gonna be a Blue Thunder Monster.
Yes! I didn't show this to Mom.
Yeah, is that gonna be fun?
Blue Thunder Monster Jam.
Yeah!
Boom, boom, boom.
Alright, are you excited? Shall we do it? These are all the parts. Hey, and we have the hammer. Let's get to work. Alright, let's record this. What is this? Oh, what is this? Which is A? Oh, okay. Is this A? I think this is A. Alright, so we need to record A and then also B. Huh. Let's go like this or this.
Quite nice letters.
Yes. Are you ready? Let's do it. So now what is the next step? This looks like D and then this looks like C. So let's put it on top of this and then we will put the other thing on the other side.
The other one being the other side.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, let's do it. Let's do step number 4. What is this? Okay, we need this big one, something that we just made, and then what is this? Okay, we need to build this one on top of it, and then I think this is the one that goes on top of it.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Sure.
Let's do it.
Sure.
Alright, so now let's should we attach the tires?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
But it should go in the big
We need to be careful on this one. Okay.
Should we?
Yeah, I think this is how it is, and then the next axle will go like this, I guess.
2 liters.
Yeah. Okay.
Please,
like that.
Dad.
All right. So now I think we need to attach the sticker on this one, and then okay, we need to attach the sticker. Oh, stickers on both sides need to be attached, and then we will. Oh, then we'll put the tires inside and then put the other set of tires on the other side. All right, so let's do it. All right. Okay, what do we do now? Stickers on? All right. Are you ready? All right, let's do it. Right, wow, so the monster truck is all done. Wow, look at the details. Nice monster truck. Do you like the tires? Yeah. Wow.
Cool.
Look at the size of the tire. This is a Blue Thunder.
Yeah.
And the stickers also come for a different set if you want to make a Monster Jam.
Another jam, but that's
Yeah.
for a big tater.
Yeah!
And also likes to crush cars, does it?
Yeah, it can crush all your cars. Alright, let's put all the cars in the line now and let's see if the monster truck can crush them all.
Monster truck is coming.
Let's see what is happening. Can it come and jump on all over it? Come on. Okay, look, all the cars over here are lined up and look at the monster truck. And who is this?
It's Max the monster truck.
Yeah, but now the Blue Thunder is about to come. Let the Blue Thunder come. Vroom, 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 vroom. Alright, all the cars are in line in order to see the big monster truck. But is monster truck gonna crush them all? We will see. Let's see what's going on. Crash! Speedos in slow motion.
It's crashing.